Welcome to World America Daily. We're your hosts. I'm Emma. And I'm John. And today our partner Sam volunteered to go to Latin America. Sam is going to Latin America because dams are being built and some are hurting wildlife. People can't use the river to bathe or wash clothes because it's restricted by the government. Dams are being built and some are hurting wildlife. People can't use the river to bathe or wash clothes because it's restricted by the government.
Yeah, so that's why we want to go around Ecuador and ask locals what they think about it after this break.
My partner Sam sent me over here to interview some more people. So here we have a young fellow, and we're going to ask him questions about the dams being built. Sir, what do you think about the dams being built, and how does it affect you in any kind of way?
It affects my house, my family, and we have no place to live anymore. So that's why.
As you can see here, the dams being built has taken over people's property and have left these people homeless with nothing. What do you think about the dams being built?
Here I have with us a single mother who works in Brazil. Ma'am, what are your opinions on the dams being built?
Well, I agree with the dams being built because it provides so much power for me and my family, and we can just do so many stuff out of this hydroelectric dam. So I like it.
It's good. And how are your opinions on the indigenous tribes being affected?
I feel like if they're being affected, then they could just simply move somewhere else, because I feel like they're just being crybabies about it, because the dams do so much for us and it provides so much, but they just want to bring out the negative of everything, and we want to be positive, and they're just...
I've been granted an interview with the CEO of the company producing dams. Ma'am, what's your opinion on the dam being built?
Well, I'm extremely proud of what my engineers have accomplished so far, and I have high hopes for the future. So I'm completely happy with them.
Could you give us a couple reasons why?
Yes. Well, since the only resource needed for hydroelectric dam is water, once we finish building it, practically no more money spent, and it provides power to the grid. So I believe it's a win-win.
Yes, I see. And how do you feel about the indigenous tribes this dam is affecting?
Sam, this is 2017. We have modernized, and I believe anyone who can't catch up should be left behind.
We're done.
Thank you for watching Latin America Daily. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you tomorrow for our next adventure. Bye!